Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. Today I'm out here with the rest of the crew and we're working on a fencing project for wildlife migrations down here in southwest Montana. We are in an area where antelope migrate almost 100 miles to come spend their winters, and they repeat this journey back and forth every single year. Unfortunately, pronghorns struggle when it comes to fences. What I mean by this is that antelope hardly ever jump fences. If you have ever seen a spooked antelope near a fenced area, you will almost always see them run up and down the fence line looking for a spot to squeeze underneath rather than going over the top. Come winter, when there are a few feet of snow on the ground, this makes going under the fences even harder for them, especially when they encounter a 7-strand barbed wire fence like the one we will be removing here today. Fences like these can not only disrupt the migration patterns of the antelope, but they can also cause injuries that make it very hard for them to survive the winter. Our goal here today is to remove about 1 mile of this barbed wire fence, and then a fencing contractor will come in here to install a wildlife-friendly fence. This wildlife-friendly fence will have a smooth strand wire on the bottom about 18 inches from the ground. This makes it easier for the antelope and other young game species to cross under the fence. Now, antelope may not reside in the state you live, but that doesn't mean you can't get involved with other wildlife conservation projects. Every state is bound to have volunteer opportunities when it comes to wildlife conservation and habitat restoration. As hunters, we should get involved with opportunities like this, as they help to ensure that wildlife and their habitat will continue to grow and be healthy for future generations. Not only are these volunteer opportunities helping the wildlife we all love, but they're a great place to meet like-minded individuals who share the same passions for hunting and the outdoors. As a new hunter, meeting other fellow hunters can be extremely beneficial to your success and your learning curve. If you're interested in conservation work, one of Hunters Connect's big supporters is the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation. They hold a number of volunteer opportunities across the country each year. If you're interested, be sure to head over to their website and sign up for their volunteer newsletter to be notified of their next project. If you guys want to get involved in your own local conservation projects, be sure to check out 2% for Conservation. That's how we got involved with this project here in Montana. And if you go to their website at fishandwildlife.org, you can find a project local to you. Thank you guys for watching Hunters Connect. Be sure to tune in each week for a new video.